Oops, I did it again. I went on a shopping spree I did not technically need it. But hey, it's my birthday month and if I don't buy what sparks joy, then what's the point? Remember the last fabric haul? I'm proud to report that I have actually made clothes from all of those fabric except for one. So yes, I'm not a hoarder and I'm a fabric transformer. This time I decided to spice things up and try a new store instead of going back to Jaipur Bazaar. I remembered one of these online fabric stores commented on one of my reel, so I thought let me check their website, and I was surprised to see their collection was so good, and the best thing is the fabrics had bigger width, which I was looking for from a long time, and the prices were pretty reasonable too. And look at their marketing strategy. They commented on one of my reel and now I'm their customer. Genius marketing strategy. Show up on people's profile and they might check it out. Marketing 101. Not that you asked for, but here it is. Anyway, I took a leap of faith and ordered 6 fabrics from their website. And all of these fabrics costed me around 1957 rupees. The shipping was free since it was more than 1000 rupees, which is a win. Now let's unpack these beauties and dive into the fabric heaven. Here's to more sewing projects, fabric love, and maybe some mild scolding from my bank account later. Wow, look at that! First up, we have this fierce animal print poplin fabric. I mean, who doesn't love animal print? It's sexy, bold, and screams I'm here to slay casually. This print is basically a closet's secret weapon. I ordered only 1 meter of this fabric because of the big width. This costed me only 129 rupees per meter. I'm planning to make a simple slip dress out of it. It'll be a multitasker in my closet because I can dress it up by wearing heels and some bling, or dress it down by wearing a sneaker and a messy bun. It's ready to play both sides. Now let's move on to the next fabric. The second one is this blue and white cotton chambray fabric. It's giving all the timeless and classy vibes. This time while ordering, I focused on more of a classic prints and colors instead of bold colors and prints like the one that I'm wearing. This is from my last fabric haul. I have got 2 meters of this fabric and even this has big width. This costed me 298 rupees. Now as for what to make out of this fabric, the possibilities are endless. Maybe a breezy summer dress that screams picnic chic, or how about a shirt and mini skirt combo, so that I can wear the shirt to office and then throw on a skirt so that I'm good to go for a casual outing in the evening. Honestly, I haven't made up my mind yet. Anyway, you will get to know because I'll be posting a video on what I'll make right here on YouTube. So stay tuned. Next up, we have another timeless favorite, polka dots. Fun fact, this year's trend forecast includes polka dots with lace. Just thought I'll throw that in there. I have always had a soft spot for polka dots. Yes, I'm a girly girl who loves everything feminine and fun. I initially wanted a black and white classic polka dot cotton fabric, but they did not have it in cotton, so I ended up giving this color combination a try. This is a lovely blue color fabric with creamish small polka dots. The fabric is linen and I have got 3 meters of this fabric. I ended up paying 597 rupees for this fabric. I mean, it's linen, so it's worth it. The width is again big. I'm thinking of making a circle skirt with a matching top, which will be versatile so that I can style it up with other things as well. I don't have a concrete design on what I'll make, but I do have some references I'm considering. The next one is this lovely gingham fabric. So soft, it practically whispers, "Make me into a dress." I have got 3 meters of this fabric and I ended up paying 297 rupees, which is a great deal. I love this fabric. I mean, who doesn't love gingham fabric? It's an unofficial print of every crafty girly ever. Yes, at this point I just realized I have ordered 3 blue fabrics. Apparently, blue is my 2025 mood. Calm, classic, and a little indecisive of what to sew. I was not sure on what to make out of this fabric, so I ended up ordering 3 meters of fabric just in case I get creative. A summer dress seems like an obvious choice, something flowy and twirl worthy. Here are some of the design references I have been eyeing on Pinterest. After making the dress, if life doesn't grant me a vacation, I might head to our farm, run in slow motion and twirl amidst coconut trees and sip some fresh coconut water and live my cottagecore aesthetic dreams. The last two fabrics are good old solid basics. The black one is a linen fabric and I have got 2 meters of this fabric. I ended up paying 398 rupees for this, which is pretty good. Again, the width is big, which is something I love. I wanted to make like a simple black shirt and trousers. I'm not sure if it is possible in 2 meters. If not, then I'll make a black shirt and a shorts. I wanted something I can wear while traveling, so this will be perfect for that. I love linen, so I can't wait to make the shirt and the shorts. I have never made a shirt in my life, so that will be something new I'll make this year. The best thing is it will be versatile and I can style it up with other things as well, like I can wear the shirt to office and I can style the shorts with other tops as well. So yeah, can't wait to make this. The white fabric is a poplin fabric. I have got 2 meters of this fabric and I ended up paying 238 rupees. Out of all the fabrics, this is the only fabric that is slightly thin. Maybe it is also because it's white, but other than that, I love the fabric. I'm planning to make another simple classic white dress because I don't have a basic white dress. If I get artsy, then I might as well do some embroidery on it or maybe even paint. I'll decide on that while I sew. Anyway, you guys will get to know. So that's all I had for this fabric haul. And the final verdict, I'm loving all the fabrics. And the big width is a win. The prices are pretty affordable and I think I'll definitely be ordering from their website again. That's all I had. Until next time, take care, slow down and enjoy the little things in life. Bye bye.